there.
Go ahead and gun it.
Oh, yeah.
How will I ever find anyone else who knows how to fill me up with gas? Adios, Chuck.
Okay, you're in.
What?
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. See it right there in the hood, right there.
Stop! Please, stop!
Thanks, Red.
Around the dent.
In the meantime, you look a little light on weapons. Kochira, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Oh, doggone it. This is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked it, but I can't miss. Look, it's attached to me. Hey, I know you. You're that fella from the...
Not in my town, you don't.
Oh, no. Oh, maybe he can help me. He's shooting at me. Why is he shooting at me?
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Serpentine! Serpentine! Serpentine!
What the blue blazes, crazy hot rodder?
Looks like we finally caught you, Big D.
Oh, no! McQueen!
Aha! Just what I thought. Counterfeit tires.
Let us right to him, Mater. Take him away, boys.
Seriously, that was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me! Welcome to the chick era, baby.
Piston Cup? It's mine, dude. It's mine. Hey, fellas, how do you think I'd look in Dinoco blue?
Dinoco blue!
Sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.
Rookie.
You got a lot of stuff, kid.
Thanks, Doc.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great race today.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. McQueen.
Good to have you back, honey.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, so.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-T.
Great timing, Mater!
Driving straight through all night till we get to California. We agreed to it.
All night? May I remind you,